this video, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung 10,000 mAh battery pack. So now let's look at the box and see what we can learn about the battery pack. Firstly, we see that it has 10,000 mAh of capacity and it has 15 watts of fast charging. You also get micro USB input and dual USB ports. Let's look at the back and see if we can know more about it. In the box, you have the battery pack, USB cable and a leaflet. The battery capacity is 10,000 mAh, and you can also see that it's told us the remaining battery power can be told by these LED indicator signs. So now let's open up the box and see what we have inside. Okay, the first thing we have right here looks to be like some paperwork. This is a safety instruction manual. Next, in this pocket, we have the charging cable. This is a short white micro USB charging cable with a USB type A here and a micro USB right here. And it's also a flat cable, which is pretty nice, but it's a pretty short cable, so keep that in mind. Now let's look at the power bank. The power bank is pretty slim and sleek. It has this nice metal finish and it has the Samsung logo right here and 10,000 fast charge written right here. On the top, you can see you have the power button. Then you have the micro USB charging input. You also have 4 LED indicators to show you battery status. And you have 2 USB-A outputs. As we saw on the box, it delivers 15 watts of power, so you can fast charge your devices. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Samsung 10,000 mAh battery pack. Thank you so much for watching this video.